is the new car that will be getting some videos up on the channel. It's a 2003, I believe. Over here. Let's see. 7 of 02, so yeah, that would make it a 2003. All right. Well, as you can see, it's pretty dirty. Auction car. Surprised the key that I have works because it doesn't have the security system. It has a security system, but it doesn't have the pass key like it should. But definitely needs front tires. Definitely needs quite a bit of cleaning work under the hood, but it has the VVTi 16 valve. This tire's a little, it has tread, but the back tires, this is the thing when you always get used cars, but the back tires are perfect. These doors are locked, so let's get them unlocked. This Pontiac Vibe has cruise control, power mirrors, dome light, trunk hatch pop, windshield wipers, you know, all that typical stuff. And then it's looks like I'm guessing that's a 3-speed. I have to look into the transmission. It has a factory, non-factory radio. The AC blows somewhat cold, but not cold enough. Looks like we have the park release. Sunroof. Let's see. Okay, that switch doesn't work. Question is this switch. No, that switch don't work either, so we'll have to manually. There we go. But as you see, it needs a clean out. Okay, the back door opens. Oh, we got something. Lunch bag. Bottle of, what is this? Brake fluid. Huh. Ain't that nice? Got a thing of brake fluid. Can't complain about that. Just add it up here with my other stuff. Yeah, these back doors ain't been open in a while. All right, so let's see if the hatch release works. No, does not work. So it's either a fuse is blown or the hatch motor release just doesn't work. So let's check the key. Okay, so the key does work. Oh. Huh. Those work. That's good. Aha. Here's the trim piece. Sweet. Thought I'd have to go get a trim piece, but I don't. All right, that's beautiful. Still has spatula. So it's the rear, goes this way. The rear carpet. Oh. Well, I'm gonna pick up here in a minute. My daughter's crying, so I need to go take care of her. So what, a few things I'm kind of liking about what I see here is it almost has like a truck bed. So that's nice. Let's go ahead and pull this out. Let's see what we got down here. So we got baby anchors. Oh, well. Okay, pull up to get the seat down. And that gets the seats down. Okay, well, let's unlock. Okay, I'm guessing this is where the spare tire is supposed to be. And if that's supposed to be a spare tire right there, God, that's... Oh, no, I see the spare tire. Okay. Whew, I was literally about to have a heart attack. No, that don't come off. Okay. Something's supposed to go here. See in the photo. No, nothing goes there. Okay. But that comes off. And then this pops up. Ah, it looks almost to be full size, but it's not. There's the radio cover. So I'm finding some stuff, which is good. Okay. So we got the spare. That's always a plus. We got the jack. We got that. And then what is the name? I really don't know. Oh, okay, this is anchor stuff. Looks like for, yeah. Let's see. Hook assembly rope. Okay. Well, let's get this back down so this ain't flopping around back here. Alright, nice and snug. Lock it up. Okay, we got a couple cubby holes on the side here. There we go. Now, maybe now it will snap in. There we go. Okay. Now, question is, this must come up. Let's see. Aha, okay. So that opens up to your anchors. Okay, here we go. Aha. This looks like the hatchback cover. Yeah. Which I'm definitely going to install that. Amazing. It looks like it's never been used. So, and then that pops back down. Okay. Lock that back. Pull the seats back up. Oh, whoa, don't want to break that. Don't want to break that. Okay, I'm going to pause here to see if I can figure out how to get this hooked up. And I will be back.